Why don't you let go of the little truck in your hand and then you'll have your hand free. Turn on your music and dance. Yay! Good job.